Welcome to my channel Decor by Amna. First of all, thank you so much my viewers for watching my videos and I hope you are fine and happy. Today I am here with a new topic and the topic is makeup storage boxes and makeup storage bags. As you know, cosmetic storage boxes, ideas and designs. Makeup and cosmetic organizers are a must have for anyone who loves makeup and wants to keep their collection and cosmetic essentials organized and easily accessible. So, in this video, you can see a wide variety and collection of different types of stylish makeup organizers box and cosmetic organizers bags. You can see all are latest and stylish, so you can choose by your own choice. I hope you like these ideas and you can easily buy these bags and boxes for your cosmetic at Daraz and Alibaba.com and many other sites. I hope you love and these designs. So kindly please do subscribe my channel, like, comment and share this video. In this video, you will discover stylish and decent makeup travel pouches and makeup travel bags that you can easily carry your makeup in a box at anywhere. These stylish and elegant makeup storage boxes and bags are very useful and beneficial as you can pile up your little makeup essentials and applicators in these boxes. And if you want to traveling, you can pile up in a makeup storage box and carry them at anywhere. In this video, you can see different styles and colors of makeup storage boxes and bags. All are very eye-catching and stylish, and so you can choose by your own choice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video and I am glad to see you here.